Alright, so today is day 5 in Furano, and I officially finished my snowboarding trip. So it's been fun. That was such an amazing experience. It was my first time and definitely had a blast.
My goggle is gone.
I really enjoyed it, so definitely gonna come back for more snowboarding trip, that's for sure. So today, gonna take it easy. Like I have a chill day. Going to the zoo. There's a local zoo here. I'm gonna go check it out. Apparently some penguins, some bears. Yeah, it's very fun. So I'm gonna take the train about an hour to this place called the Japanese word. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's called Asahikawa Zoo. So I'm gonna take a train there. Hey, check out this view. The point is, I love snow. I rarely do any talking head videos in my studio because I want my audiences to see different sceneries and have different feelings. But the fear of filming in public definitely doesn't help with that. I've been trying to find the answer to overcome that fear in the last few years, but I just couldn't figure out a way. Until early this year, when I traveled to Japan, my whole perspective changed. Here was a whole new country to me, and nobody knew me. I suddenly felt a sense of relief and an eagerness to create. I wanted to capture everything I did in Japan. It was like injecting steroids into my brain, and my whole world just lightened up. And all these creative ideas just came out of nowhere, and I absolutely loved that feeling. They're so cute! They're so cute! Oh my god. The good thing about traveling to Japan is that it's a very safe country, and nobody cares about what other people are doing. As long as you don't disturb other people, you pretty much have all the freedom to do anything. I got to try many shots that I never tried before, and I was so happy with the results. I didn't realize this until I came back to Australia. The familiar environment brought back the same feel to me. But the difference is, I've experienced what the freedom of creating felt like. And I'm ready to use that as my antidote and overcome the fear that has bothered me for so many years. I used to feel embarrassed to film in public in my home city, thinking somebody will recognize me. But the fact is, nobody knows you, and nobody cares about what you're doing. People tend to have what's called the spotlight effect, which basically means people believe they are being noticed more than they really are. Once you realize that, and that nobody really cares about what you do, you will feel all the weight off your shoulders, and you will have all the freedom and the creativity in the world to create or do whatever you set your mind to. Sounds pretty good, right? If you can ignore the spotlight effect and focus on what you do, these are what you will get. So bring your camera, go out there and capture something. There's no better days to create something than today. And remember, create like a tourist. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think my content helps you with your creative journey, feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel. That will be really helpful to me, and I really thank you for that. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.